Struggling to get your accounting software up and running? Let's tackle the Peachtree installation process, step by step, using a download from Getintopc. First, a word of caution: downloading software from third-party sites like Getintopc carries risks. Always scan downloaded files with a reputable antivirus program before proceeding to make sure they are safe. Once you've downloaded the Peachtree file from Getintopc, usually in a compressed format like a zip or RAR file, located on your computer, right-click on the file. Select Extract All from the menu. Choose a destination folder where you want to save the extracted files. This will be where the Peachtree installation files will be accessible. Navigate to the extracted folder. Look for a file named Setup.exe or something similar. This is the installation executable. Double-click Setup.exe to begin the installation process. The Peachtree installation wizard will appear. Click Yes if prompted by user account control. Read the license agreement carefully. If you agree to the terms, select I accept the agreement and click Next. Enter your serial number or product key when prompted. This information is usually provided with your Peachtree purchase or download. Choose your installation type. You can select typical for a standard installation, or custom to choose specific components. Click Next. Wait for the installation process to complete. This may take several minutes, depending on your system. Once the installation is finished, click Finish. Peachtree, now known as Sage 50, should now be installed on your computer and ready to use. Remember to always keep your software updated for the latest security patches.